Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging MDAct MCQs to sharpen your biology skills. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is which structure connect muscles to bone? A. Ligaments. B. Tendons. C. Cartilage. And D. Fascia. So the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which muscle is primarily responsible for the flexion of the elbow joint? A. Tricep brachii, C. Bicep brachii, C. brachialis. And the correct option is B. The next MCQ is which bone is part of the pectoral girdle? A. Clavicle, B. Humerus, C. Radius, D. Ulna. So the correct option is A. Thanks for joining me. I hope these MDAct MCQs help you sharpen your biology skills. Keep studying, stay tuned for more practice with you.